Hi, welcome to this edition of techVIDEO. I was attending Broadband India Forum's conference on OTT, a win-win for all, and as expected, there were two schools of thought. One was obviously what we, look as traditional legacy telco based viewpoint, and another was the modern internet era viewpoint. But the good point is, I think it ended on a happy note, and there was a consensus that both have to coexist. And I think the definition of coexistence has to evolve over the period of time. Now, let me give some perspective, and I think that makes it clear that what should we expect out of this collaboration. Take an example of, say, an infrastructure developer like somebody who builds roads. Now, road opens opportunities to enormous things. There can be a shopkeeper who could come across over, set up a small shop. There could be somebody who can build a kiosk. And there are maybe smarter people like Olas and Ubers of the world, which build up business over these roads. Now, the road builder or the infrastructure provider cannot go back and cannot go to, say, Olas and Ubers of the world that, hey, you have grown big on my infrastructure, using my infrastructure. You were probably smart or intelligent enough that you derived a great value out of it, and now give me my money. I understand, the viewpoint maybe, or the counter view may be that Ola and Uber is not eating up the revenue potential of the road makers or the infrastructure providers. But at the same time, it's not adding. It's in fact maybe reducing the life of the roads or increasing the maintenance cost. But the point to be made here is that it is completely, say, illogical, kind of absurd to expect these maybe smarter people to pay somebody who has created the infrastructure over which they have developed something great and are making money. But at the same time, they are adding to the revenue potentials of the infrastructure provider as well. Now, just take the case of what we call OTTs. Now, we are consuming right now 10 GBs of data per user. Now, this consumption would not have been possible if there would not have been such kind of applications for users to consume. So what would we have been doing with this much of data which was created by operators, or the data capacities which were built by operators? So I think everybody is taking out its pie. Yes, maybe the operator reaction to OTT was late. If they would have been, I would say, just in time, they could have made this money, and they could have added to more opportunities to what they are making right now. And yes, at times it might look conflicting, but on the face value. But I think when we get deeper into the things, it's not conflicting at all. It's very, very complementing. And that's, I think, the way forward that we should look at. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Do share your views, feedback, comments, and I would be more than happy to engage and have a great, healthy discourse on this topic. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.